So now this board is called a breadboard, and it's used to connect circuits temporarily. We have a red line right there. All these holes next to the red line are connected to each other. There's a blue line. All the holes next to the blue line are connected to each other. I took jumpers right there. That's a way you connect holes, sets of holes to other sets of holes. And I connected the red side over to the red side on the other side. So they're all connected. That's all one long connection. Same with the blue over there. Now, in the middle, we have 5 holes. And then there's 5 holes on the other side. There's a gap between them where there's no connection. So the 5 above are not connected, 5 below are not connected, unless you use like a little jumper. Then you could connect 2 of them together. You'd have 8 holes directly connect to each other. Usually you put like integrated circuits in the middle and other components. You plug in as needed throughout the rest of the board. That's how most of these breadboards work. Breadboards don't usually have a built-in way to apply alligator clips to them. Power supplies tend to have alligator clips as part of their way of delivering power. So you can take header pins. These ones are long on one end, short on the other one, and I went to blue. I meant to go to red. Doesn't matter. I put red on that side. Usually you can see we got the red jumper there, and the alligator clip will clip to the shorter header pins right there. There's header pins where they're long on both ends or short on both ends, but you need them long to make a good connection in the board right there. And now once we apply power to the power supply, because it's off right now, that will power the power rows of this breadboard right there. When it comes to plugging components into the breadboard, it's pretty simple. So to begin with, we have the positive supply going to that row, but a little jumper is carrying it over to the other row right there. And then we got negative supply there. These little jumper cables, that's what they're called when they're little solid ones right there. They are kind of limited, and their connections, and so it's good to place them first. If there's one that you plug into one spot and then has a wire that you plug into the other one, it's called a jumper wire. And the LED, you got to put in the right way. Long lead, more positive. Short lead, more negative. I usually put the positive up higher right there. And so that connects the cathode down there to ground. Long lead is the anode. 220 ohms is usually a good value to protect the red LED. And we can just plug the resistor right there. So it takes literally just seconds, unless it's kind of a stubborn connection, to attach components. I applied power and the LED is on.